Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, I'm Ria and I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle content. And in case you guys are interested in that sort of content, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. That will mean the world to me. Okay, so in today's video, we are trying out some viral 5-minute crafts beauty hacks and we will see if they work or not. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm filming this intro after filming the whole video and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so let's see which hack should we try first.
Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you just
Let's see how it went when I tried this hack. Okay, so now that you have seen how the hack went, I would like you to comment down below what do you think of this hack. Like, do you like it? Will you ever try it or whatever? So I personally don't like it. I don't know why I did it, but yeah, it didn't work. It definitely changed the texture of my hair and the color, but इससे बेटर तो मैं कुछ और ट्राई कर लूँ. इससे बेटर तो मैं अपने बाल कलर ही कर लूँ. I will give it a 3 out of 10. Yeah, let's see what we have next. Okay, that's yet another hair hack for you guys. I have already tried it and tested it. Now it's your turn to see how it goes. Alright, I just came out of the shower as you can see, and it is the perfect time to try this hack. I have a polythene right here.
Okay, now my hair is towel dried, if that is a word.
So I'm going to firstly comb out my hair. Alright, so I applied the hair serum and now
Now is the time for the hack. I'm excited.
And just give me a second, you guys. The next thing that we need is a hair dryer. Your time pass too अच्छा हो रहा है. Okay, this hole is more than enough. Two-minute silence, please. So I'm going to be totally honest with you all. My hair is definitely dried out सिर्फ आगे से. But what about the पीछे का part यार? I'm giving this hack a 1 out of 10 और 1 भी इसीलिए because it actually dried out the आगे का part of my hair, but I don't like it. I'm giving a 1 just because it did something to my hair. Otherwise जो something किया भी है ना, that we can do
Without that polythene and without suffering and struggling so much with that polythene.
Okay, so let's see what is the next hack that we have to try. Is actually exciting to me. I mean, if you can DIY your eyebrow tint at home, like, that's so cool, right? So I have the Patanjali's aloe vera gel. I know in the last video I said that I ran out of my aloe vera, but this one is borrowed from my mom. She uses this one. I use the one with the yellow color, but yeah, this will also work, and I specially borrowed it to try this hack. I'm so stupid, but yeah, if it works, it's really cool. And for the eyeshadow, she uses the brown shade, but I think for the Indian eyebrows, they are almost black in color. So I'm going to use this shade out here and I'm going to scrap some of it out and mix it with the aloe vera gel, and let's see if it works or not. I'm going to scrape out like that. So we have our eyeshadow right here. Can you see that? And now I'm going to put some aloe vera gel in it. That's it. I'm gonna mix this. Can you see the consistency it has? I have a feeling that this hack is going to work. Am I mad? So this is what I have right now. So I have a spoolie right here and I'm going to take some of it. So you can see the eyebrow condition, and let's just... It is working, guys. Guys, it works.
I can't believe 5-minute crafts hacks worked.
I think I used a little bit too much, so what I can do is I'm gonna take a clear spoolie. I'm gonna brush the extra part off. Yeah, it's leaking a little bit, but I think that's okay. That is because I used thoda sa zyada, but it works. Oh my god, I'm so happy. At least एक hack तो work किया. Can you see that? Do you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Girl, this is my favorite hack abhi tak. So I am going to give it 10 out of 10, and you should also try it. Okay, let's see the next one now. Oh, I've seen this. Okay, alright, so I've seen this hack a lot of times, so we're gonna try it, but before that I'm gonna do my base and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with my base. For the contour, I'm gonna use a Nykaa's palette, and I'll take the darker medium dark shade, this one. She like applied the darker color on the sides and concealer in the center. That was a straight line. I'm having fun doing all these. So she did the concealer in the center. I'm gonna do the same. I'll remove it now. It's kind of crazy actually. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it with my finger. I'm gonna take a little bit of the powder, make it a little better. It depends on the size and the shape of the nose, but otherwise it definitely works. Kind of cool. Excited for the next one. So now we need a brown eyeshadow and apply it all over our lids, and the spoon will make a cut crease.
I hate this hack already and I know it's not going to work, but still I'm gonna try it because I'm dumb.
So I'm taking this darker mauvey brownish shade. I think this hack totally depends on the shape of your eye, like if they are hooded eyes or they are like you have a lot of lid space or something like that.
हर shape के लिए थोड़ी ना spoon काम कर जाएगा.
We have the shadow on our lids now, and I'm going to use the concealer on the spoon. So taking the concealer and putting it on the spoon. ये
तो 5-minute crafts वाले ना इतना बेवकूफ़ बनाते हैं ना लोगों को, और कई लोग बन भी जाते हैं मेरे जैसे.
Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. I messed it. To be honest, shape तो इसने सही बना दी.
Cut crease की? No. Regretting what I said just now.
What do you guys think? It is not going to work on all the eye shapes. I'm clear about that. So I'm giving this hack a 2 out of 10 because I think it can actually work for some eye shapes, but I'm not the one. These hacks are like really getting on my nerves now. Okay, so that was yesterday when I tried all the hacks, and they were getting on my nerves like anything. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and in case you guys want to see a part 2 of this video, then let me know in the comments. I would love to create it for you, and I'll see you in the next video now. Bye.